Welcome back, people. So another unboxing video for this one, and not just an unboxing but talking about it. So I normally live stream. I use face cam and mic anytime I make videos like this. Obviously I'm using the cam, but yeah, you're not seeing my face and you can obviously hear me. So yeah, just an unboxing video on my disc brake lock. Now I've used a lot of different ones over the years, and this one is probably the best one that I have found. And this one cost me £17, or should I say just under £17. You probably could get it a little bit cheaper if you look around. Now the thing that makes me say this is the best disc lock is normally disc locks come like this, with a key like this, which is kind of like a D-lock type, and they are very easy to pick lock. And for the fact that I don't want my bike stolen, this is what I'm going to be using. Now I could use this on my normal push bike, as you can see there. I'm going to put it on there in a moment, and I can always use this as well on my actual motorbike, which is what I'm going to be using it for. Now you can use it on all different types of motorbikes and all different types of push bikes, but this one, the thing that makes me think that it's so good is not only it's at a cheap price, which is good, but it's unusual. It's like a lock that I have never ever seen before. It's really, I couldn't really tell you the name of it. I just typed in disc lock and I was looking through. Now I know there's all different ones you can buy, ones with alarms and different shapes and sizes and strengths, but this one is the one that I went for. Now as I said before, I do lots of different unboxing videos showing electric bikes, electric scooters and gaming, live streaming, all that kinds of stuff, but this one I wanted to make a video on this just to show you. This is very unusual. So straight off out the box, that thing weighs an absolute ton. It is really, really heavy. So that's a good sign straight away. What is it made out of? It's definitely not aluminium for it to be that heavy. It could be steel. I'm pretty sure it is steel. So we get this lock, and then we get these two keys with it as well. So these keys, again, they're unusual, and I don't know if you can hear that sound. I think it is steel. I'm pretty sure it is steel, but I don't think it's going to be carbon fiber, but I think it is steel. But anyway, look at the way the lock and the key is. So when you turn the key, as you can see there, it rotates ever so slightly. Sorry about my hands. I know they're really dirty. I've been working on my bike. I've been changing the brake pads again. Yeah, it's really really an unusual type of lock. So we put it in, and then as we turn, as you can see, that there popped out. So we got this little bit here that's sticking up. So we put that onto our bike, onto the disc brake, and then as we lock it, we push this down here, and then turn the key and pull the key out. So definitely a different type of lock compared to your normal disc lock. Now you probably don't need to do this straight away, but here we have some kind of lubricant. I'm not quite sure what it is. I probably would prefer grease in there, but as this comes with the pack, sorry, just show you me undoing it. As this comes with the pack, I'm going to put a little bit of this in just to show you guys. So it's yeah, I'm not sure what kind of liquid that is. But anyway, I'm going to put it into both of these real quick, just a couple of little drops either side. Actually, I put quite a bit in there. I live near the sea, so I get a lot of salt air, and most of my locks I do have to grease up quite often, which I just use an all-purpose grease. So I'm going to put that back in there. It comes in a nice little box there. Again, I can't really tell you the name. It's some kind of Chinese thing, but normally I wouldn't use Chinese stuff if I'm not saying Chinese stuff is bad, because it's not. It's leaking a little bit. Yeah, there's some Chinese stuff is really well made, some of it not so much, but this one is a really good one. So it's leaking all over the place. Let me move over to my bike, and I'm going to show you here. I'm going to put it on this disc here. Now again, I'm going to use this on my motorbike, but I'm just using this on the push bike just for a quick demonstration. This thing is really, really heavy. So it comes with two keys also, which is also a good thing. I know it's kind of dark. My camera lens is going all crazy at the moment. So yeah, it comes with 2 keys, which is obviously one for a spare. So we put it in. It only goes in one way. If you try pushing it in another way, it will not go in. So you can only go in one way. Turn the key, and then we'll put this onto here. This thing is really heavy. Push it in, then twist the key, pull your key out, and there we go. There we have a disc lock. And yeah, it's definitely different compared to the other one. I can't actually show you my other one at the moment because that's already on the bike. But as I showed you, the key is quite a familiar key. Most people recognise this key here, the standard disc lock key. Yeah, it's not a very good disc lock, that one, but I just put it on for time being just so that I had something from my motorbike. But this one is definitely going to be the main disc lock that I do use. Now I do use other locks like Oxford locks and stuff like that, which I probably might even make a video on that if you guys are interested. You could always leave it in comments below. If you are, I will make a separate video on all my different locks that I'm using on my motorbike. But yeah, this one is really good. I actually really do rate this one. It's a cheap price. It doesn't cost too much. I can't pronounce the name, unfortunately. I'm sorry, but yeah, it's a pretty decent lock. At least it feels really heavy. As I said, it sounds like it's, I don't know what it sounds like. If anyone does know what the actual material of this is, do leave it in comments below. I'm interested to know. Me guessing, as I said, I think it's just steel. But I definitely recommend this as a lock. I'm not sponsored by the company in any sort of way or anything like that. It's just completely my opinion, what I use. I like to try and make it as difficult as I can for anybody who tries to steal my bike. Now, obviously, it's kept in a garage overnight, and I also have 5 locks on the bike. Does sound a bit extreme considering it's in a garage, but there's many people out there that would go to some far lengths to try and steal your bike, for real. They really do. So yeah, definitely recommend this one. As I said, I don't really know the brand because it's Chinese, but look for that picture online. Type it in. I bought this on eBay for £17. I'm pretty sure you could buy it from somewhere else, maybe Amazon or something like that, but I bought this one from eBay. Definitely a different type of disc lock compared to other ones that I've seen in the past. I did even have an alarm one before, but because the wind gets under the garage and it moves the bike, it makes the alarm keep going off every 10 seconds. So I got rid of that and I brought this one for £17. I think it's going to be a good one. The only thing is, it doesn't come with like a little springy strap that you put through here then sits up on your handlebars, so I've got to always remember that this is on, which I will remember that. But I might even end up buying some kind of string or strap or something to put on there to put up on the handlebars, but that has got some serious weight to it. It really has. So I hope you guys did enjoy this one. A little bit of a different unboxing compared to our normal electronics, but I just wanted to show you, as it is a very good lock. Very heavy duty. Feels really strong, and yeah, feels like a really good lock. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, turn notifications on, drop a like as well. This video did help you out. Leave in comments below what you think of this lock, if you think it's good, if you think it's worth the money, or even if you know what it's made out of, or the proper name for it in English. Yeah, leave in comments below. Catch you people again soon for some more fun and games. I'm out. Wrong button. Now I'm out.